Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, July 1st. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And this is day 9 of basically wash, rinse, repeat. As the market has done basically the same thing 9 days in a row as we continue to make new highs. We're starting to get distance away from previous weekly highs, which is said what we would need. The one thing still lacking is the volume. That's something that the market would like to pick up. Again, only 53 million shares today. However, baby steps. We go out with a double distribution day today. As we spiked higher in I, we leave a small set of single prints. Believe it or not, SPY leaves a small 2-cent gap. Believe it or not. ES does not. We were 8 for 8 wide, never got 9 wide when change took place as we went to new highs. We go out with a price probe. Triple Qs, we're the only one that made a new high today. Triple Qs got close, did not do it. They still have their overnight all-time high, as does IWM. Right now, our all-time high is in regular trading hours. We'll see if that's going to hold. I had major machine issues this morning, so I did not trade. Couldn't trade the first hour, which cost me a nice opportunity on a long in A period, and certainly in B. So I did not trade, and then I had to leave at 2 o'clock, and I did a trade right before that, a real small short. When H took out the day's high, I wanted to see if they were just going to come back and fade it and go back to at least 9 wide before they tested to go get the overnight all-time high. I opened, took out H's high, took it off immediately, and that was that. So I took a loss on that. It was the only trade I did because I was gone for the rest of the day. So a little frustrating not being able to trade this morning. So we'll get back at it tomorrow morning. As far as destinations, there's only one and only one on the upside right now. That's today's high of 430.60. All-time high. Downside, we're going to use L's high as the price probe, 430.52. Remember, yesterday's price probe firmly accepted, right? When we spiked above in M period. Never even traded in the price probe, let alone test the base. And we were 12 wide yesterday. Below today's price probe, we have a small set of single prints. J's low to H's high, 429.82 to 78. Then we don't have anything to today's low because I won't use 8 wide, 428.80, filling a small gap at 78 cents. Yesterday's price probe of 428.38 and 12 wide at 427.92. And then on the charts, what a start to the third quarter once again for this market. As we already took out last month's high, one time framing up, 9 months including today. So the monthly is just tremendously healthy as they've gone up. Now you can call this balance, but it's still up. But one time framing up 9 months with no end in sight. Weekly, as you can see, I was harping on this for the last couple of weeks. We need distance away from previous week's highs. Now, 1 day to go in the week. Let's see if they can finish strong tomorrow and close above those previous 2 weekly highs and get distance away from it. And the daily, one time framing up 9 days, and we have a small gap. So again, non-farm payrolls tomorrow. We'll see what kind of reaction we get to that. We have a 3-day weekend. Earnings will start in July. We have the Fed at the end of this month. So it remains to be seen. Right now, remember, markets do not go bull bear. So I would advise to stop attempting to pick all-time highs and trade what's in front of you and wait for this market to at least come into balance and see if we come out of balance to the downside if you want to start shorting it. Hope you had a good day trading. Have a great evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.